Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to add featured photo on Facebook. So first thing is open the Facebook application, then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the account, what you need to do is you need to go to the profile page. So tap on profile page on the top left. Now once you're at the profile page, what you need to do is you need to scroll down and there you need to tap on edit public details. You tap that. This will direct you to this page where you can make the edits to your profile, and there you scroll down and you will have the featured option. In the featured option, you need to tap on try it, as you are going to add a new featured album on your Facebook profile. So this will direct you to the camera section or the photo gallery of your phone, where you can select the picture that you want to add it to your featured album. I have selected 3 of my photos. You can select up to 50 photos to be added on the featured album. Then tap on next. Now after that, you need to provide a title for your featured photo. I'm just gonna go and type in photos. You can provide any name that you want. Then you need to tap on save. The photos will take some period of time to upload. And with that, you have successfully added the featured photo on your Facebook. There you can see the photos album, and there you can see the photos album in there. That's the featured photo that will be viewed in your Facebook profile by the other viewer on Facebook. So this is a way how you can add featured photo on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.